Another question from random post, at ito ay post ni Ma'am Kimberly Manuel Tabaldo Yanis ulit. At meron pa siyang request with regards sa age problems. Marami yun. So, sasagutin din natin yun later. And the question is, a boat travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 kilometers downstream. Is it A, 2 hours, B, 3 hours, C, 4 hours, D, 5 hours? The shortest way to answer this question is yung total na kilometer, 68, divided by yung speed niya plus yung speed ng stream, that is 17. 68 divided by 17, that is equals to 4 hours. Letter C. For you to understand kung bakit 4 hours ang sagot, you have to watch this video until the end kasi isa-isahin natin yan. Idetalye natin yan siya. Basahin natin ulit. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 kilometers per hour in still water. So, ito yung speed ni boat. 13 kilometers per hour. Next, if the speed of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour, stream, okay? Yung mismong agos ng tubig ay 4 kilometers per hour. Find the time taken by the boat to go downstream. Meaning, kung saan aagos yung tubig, ito yung water, papunta doon, yung water, papunta dyan. Meron siyang sariling speed na 4 kilometers per hour. Tapos, yung boat mo mismo, bangka na lang, yung boat mo mismo ay meron siyang sariling speed na 13 km per hour. So, kung papunta din siya dyan, i-add mo si 13 at saka si 4. And that is equals to 17 kilometers per hour. Isipin mo na lang, meron siyang sariling speed na 13 kilometers per hour at yung agos ng tubig ay meron ding, agos ba tawag dun? Yung speed, yung stream ng water ay 4 kilometers per hour. So, i-add mo lang yung dalawa. Kaya 17 kilometers per hour yung speed niya. I-delete nga natin to, panggulo to eh. I-delete natin yan. Next ay yung total distance. 68 ang total distance. Ang tanong ay find the time. Para makuha natin ang time nito, i-divide natin itong total distance by 17 kilometers per hour. Yan yung speed. So, i-divide natin si distance sa speed. 17 kilometers per hour. So, makancel na si kilometer, hour na lang. So, si 68 kilometer divided by 17 kilometers, 68 kilometers. May S. 68 kilometers divided by 17 kilometers per hour. And that is equals to 4 hours. Kung gusto nyong gumamit ng formula, fine, gamitan natin. Speed. Ang formula ng speed, no need ka nang mag-memorize, nasa given mismo. 13, a speed of 13 kilometers per hour. Kilometer means distance. Per, divide. Hour means time. Yan na yung formula na speed. Ang hinahanap dito ay yung time. Si time ang hinahanap ito. Since si time ang hinahanap, Si speed at saka si distance, ang i-fill in lang natin nandyan sa given. Itong si speed is equals to distance over time. Itong si time naman, that is equals to distance divided by speed. Ang gagawin mo, ipagpalit mo lang si time at saka si speed. Ganito kasi yan. Speed equals distance over time. Since si time, pang-divide sa distance, pang-multiply siya sa speed natin. So, time times speed equals distance. Ngayon, si speed, since pang-multiply siya sa time, pang-divide siya sa distance. Pag i-transform mo siya. So, ma-isolate na natin si time dito. Time na lang ang natira. That means, time is equals to distance over speed. Yan ang mangyayari dyan. Ngayon, nasaan yung distance natin? 68. Yan yung distance natin. 68 kilometers. Yung speed natin. 13 yung sa boat mismo. At i-add mo rin yung stream na 4 kilometers per hour. 13 plus 4 and that is 17 kilometers per hour. Yan yung speed mo. Kaya yan yung pang-divide mo sa 68. 68 divided by 17 and that is 4 hours. So, ang sagot dito ay itong si letter C, 4 hours.